Good morning. I am going to be making acai bowl today. So this is a frozen acai, frozen blackberry, homemade yogurt that I put in a yogurt thing. Yay! I made this yogurt, by the way, not this, but the inside. Magic bullet, Uncle Jack. Blackberries is full of antioxidants and it's really good for you. It's just a little hard to eat because there's a lot of seeds in it. Realistically, this is way too cold to eat during the winter time, but whatever. Okay, there's also like these dried pumpkins or whatever. It's not good to eat when you have break. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I already ate my breakfast and now I have changed into a sweater. I don't know why I did that, but a sweater. Yes, I thrifted this last time when I made that video when I went to Goodwill Outlet and bought a camera, a really random camera. So this is the sweater. I've washed it and it's pretty cute, pretty comfortable. Most of all, it's really warm. So that is why I bought it. So today, sorry, my dad's putting stuff. My dad's building a shelf, I think. So today is gonna be a really interesting video because I just came back from Portland and now I am back and I have all these footages, but I couldn't take any cameras with me. Therefore, I took a lot of them on my, what is that called? My iPhone. So I'm gonna be using the Polaroid Lab and I'm gonna be using all of the film that I've left in that little drawer because as you guys all know, you're supposed to refrigerate all your film, but I didn't do that and all of that film has been in there for like a year. Instead of going around taking pictures that may or may not work, I really don't want to risk it, so I'm just gonna use my Polaroid Lab to print these pictures out that I took from Oregon. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, before we get started, make sure that you guys have hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell button if you guys want to get notified for whenever I post a new video onto this channel, and also follow me on all of my other socials at It's Theodore, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, whatever. It's all at It's Theodore. So make sure you guys follow me on all of those. And so yeah, let's go. Guys, excuse the mess, but here it is. I'm gonna be using this, I'm gonna be using this. So as far as I know, that is it. I need to use these as well because I've left them here and I'm not sure how reliable it is to leave my film in here, but I've been leaving it in here for like a year, so I should do these as well. But this is a project for another day because this is a lot. Okay, transferring photos and also downloading the Canon app so I can access that camera. Okay, I got out the photos. I'm gonna go into the Polaroid app. I still have one more picture. There's so much stuff on my phone that it started deleting apps that I don't use as much anymore. And I only use this Polaroid Lab app when I use this. I don't use it that often, so it deleted it.
from the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right, I might be your tour guide in a city. I might be, we might be riding around on a Segway. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around. You know I can be a tour guide. In the city, so it might take a while, but not to worry, cause I know all the best spots, not the bougie places with the $100 rooftops. I might be a tour guide in a city. I might be, riding around on a Segway. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide.
I don't know why I named him Uncle Winnie, Elaine. Why did I name him Uncle Winnie?
You don't know?
No idea, Elaine.
I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around.
Developed the film for me. You gave me 2 pictures, so one of them was already sent to the for passport, and I only have 1 left.
Guys, I've been trying to record, but I mean not record. I've been trying to print, but it won't print. This is so weird. I have to like turn it on and off and then it'll print. There's 1 film left. Okay. This is so weird. What is going on? So I'm trying to do it right now and it's not working. I'm on the last print of the one of the canisters and it's not printing, and that could have been why I had 1 film left from last time. It just didn't print. So yeah, I'm not sure what to do. Like, I only have like 8 pictures for now, and I still have like 2 more film packs to go, but it's not printing. Nope, not printing. I'll give it 1 more chance, but it's not working. Okay, I think I know how it works now. I just have to push it down really tight. Okay, when you push it down and it flashes like that, it means it's ready. Come on, flash. Yay, it works. Okay, I figured out how to use this thing. Okay, so in order for it to work, you have to push it down. Yay! Okay, I figured it out. I figured it out.
When you're 17 in California, you might start to think the world's really for you. But suddenly everything comes crashing down. It pains
done. That was the last one. Okay, I am done now. I have taken all the pictures and they're all here. Well, except for the black and white one because I just finished that one. I've been waiting for it to like settle in for a little bit. Oh, this one's crazy. I don't know. It doesn't look bad, but it kind of looks weird. Yeah, these pictures looks good. I got them. Alrighty guys, so I used all of my expired film. These must have expired, like, what? This one was from 2017. This one was from 2018. But look at them, guys. My pictures came out just fine. I wouldn't say just fine, because a lot of the corners are like this. Like, the chemicals didn't go all the way through to the very corner, and kind of sort of that one. And do you guys see what I mean? Well, this one looks kind of funny. I think I might have moved my phone, and it made the image kind of like jittery in the phone, so that's why this happened. And then, but yeah, for the most part though, all of these films did develop pretty much just fine, except for the corners, and I'm not complaining. It doesn't look that bad. That was for the black and white film, and this is the color film. Yeah, these color films didn't turn out too bad. I expect these, I don't know what this is even called. Yeah, I expect this from Polaroid film anyways, because even my non-expired film, this even happens. Like, you see like that. And this picture, I actually put a filter on it, so that's why it looks kind of sort of pixelated. I'm not sure what's that on my niece's face, but it looks kind of funky. This one is just the normal I-type film with no frame. And this one looks just fine because actually this film didn't expire yet. Except for that little, see that little dot on the bottom? I don't know what that is, but it's whatever. I'm not sure what this weird thing is. It looks kind of hazy. Is that what's supposed to happen in this film? I have no idea. See, this one looks kind of funky too. So all of these were taken on my Canon M6. So this lens is the Canon prime lens. It's the f1.8 50mm lens. So all of these pictures right here were using the prime 50mm prime lens for portraits. And then these ones right here, these ones that are much more like wide angle type of pictures, Canon EFM 11 to 22mm wide angle lens. This is a really good lens for filming the Canon M6, which I just bought, and I totally love this camera, guys. This is such a nice camera. Really like it. And then for these pictures, this one is actually just the portrait feature on the iPhone that I used. Doesn't look too bad. And then, yep, these were just using the iPhone. Yeah. So as you guys can tell, even though I used a mirrorless DSLR camera for these pictures, some of them didn't turn out that great. Well, I mean, digitally they looked really good, but when I printed it out in black and white especially, the features on my niece's faces are missing. Like, you don't see their noses, you can barely see their eyes. I know that's an Asian thing, but don't be racist, alrighty? But once you come in closer, like for example this picture, this one looks really good. But if you go really far away, and especially if it's like a really like a lit up area, I feel like the features of the subject is a little lost. But that is only for black and white. But once you take pictures, once you print it in color, that is another story. Like, you can see everything. This one looks really good. Yeah, so for this picture, you can see all the features. But I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. I don't know why it printed out kind of funky. This part down here is all really purpley, and like up here is pink. Is that just a feature of this film? I guess so. Like, let me... Oh, it's a gradient film. Gradient frame edition. Okay, not film. Have no idea why this is kind of blending in with the frame. Interesting, but it looks cool regardless. Alrighty guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, please do give a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't already, make sure that you guys have subscribed to my channel and followed me on all of my other social medias at It's Theodore on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, whatever. It's all at It's Theodore.